going on, guys? My name is Ron Baby Thomas, and I am back with another video, and this is what I was truly excited for. I'm just looking at it right now, and I am just still in shock that I own one of these. So I told you guys last video that I was gonna buy an Armytrix exhaust, and today was the day. It was supposed to come in Thursday, but today's Tuesday, and it came in 2 days early. So I don't want to show you guys any of the components yet or anything because I have them laying on the floor. But this was basically the box that it came in. It weighed about 77 pounds, so I mean, I didn't get to bring it in. My dad brought it in once it came in because I was at work. But first thing, honestly, when you open the box, because it's already unboxed, I gotta be real with you, but I guess I'll just show you what's inside the box, what I got. So, this is one of the first things that I got, basically. It's actually like the material and everything is like really good quality. When you open it up, it says automotive weaponized. This right here is the OBD. So basically this is how you'll be controlling it through Bluetooth. It is pretty insane. And I believe it checks other things as well. You can scan your car, check for codes, like certain codes and stuff. So that's a pretty cool feature, and I believe it just lights up when you plug it in. So there's that. Here is one of the biggest features. It is the remote. Now, when you actually press it, it does light up. So this is something that I am just truly hyped about, man. This is crazy, in my opinion. You know, because you control the whole entire exhaust valve through the remote, which I'll probably be using the remote more than I will on my smartphone, because in all honesty, just to have a remote with you is just so much more clutch than to like swipe on your phone, hit the app, and then go all the way over there. So that's basically the what you get here. Underneath this cover is basically an instruction manual, and underneath the instruction manual is it's just other wiring that you need, like vacuum lines and stuff. So yeah, that I don't think I really need to show, but it's basically right under here. Now here comes the whole entire system. So it's all like you had to dig around for this stuff, which is the crazy part. So these right here are the tips, and I went with the chrome. The chrome is actually the cheapest option. The reason why I went with the chrome is I already have black tips on my car, and I'm just not a fan of the black anymore with the black diffuser. It kind of just looks hidden, and I wanted something to just pop out a little more. So I went with this. There is an Armytrix logo. It's hard to see on camera. I'll probably show you guys when it's getting installed, but you basically, since it's a quad tip system, you're gonna get 4 of these tips. All right, 1, 2, 3, 4. And then here's the biggest part. It's the Valvetronic muffler. So since it's a quad exhaust, you have it on both ends, and basically with just the tap of the remote, the valve will switch open or the valve will switch close. The valve will basically switch open with the press of a button, or with another press of the button, the valve will be basically closed, completely quiet. Now here's the mid pipe, right over here. It's basically a straight pipe, literally, because there's just 2 mufflers. There isn't even a resonator. And then you have the, this isn't really a downpipe. I guess this is part of the mid pipe because it's a catback. I bought the entire catback exhaust system, so I said this in a previous video where I bought my exhaust through Vivid Racing, and if you buy through them, they work directly with Armytrix. They are Armytrix USA. So they work directly with the manufacturer, and that's basically where I got it from. So when I was tracking, it was actually originally sent out from the actual manufacturer. So that's pretty cool. The thing is, it took shorter than I thought. It took maybe about less than a week. So yeah, it's absolutely insane. The quality is insane. It's complete stainless steel. Huge shout out to my guy, my man Ryan from Vivid Racing. Also works for Armytrix USA. If you do plan on buying any form of Armytrix exhaust systems or downpipes or just anything in general, even from the website, it could be for different cars depending on what kind of car you have, reach out to my guy Ryan. He hooked me up with a huge deal. This was my dream exhaust right here. This was the exhaust that I dreamed of since high school, and he hooked me up with an amazing deal to get this exhaust. So truly an honor. It was supposed to be $500 shipping freight, and he hooked me up with the shipping and pricing on the exhaust. All right, guys, it's another day. Crazy story to tell you guys, crazy story. So I am truly amazed by the quality of this exhaust, the ability. I mean, like, hearing it in person again, just truly just, I don't know, it really just made me so much more happier, because I did have somewhat of an expectation, and this just blew my mind away. So honestly, let's go outside, let's take a look at it real quick. So this was an insane process, but let me show you what the product looks like right now without the diffuser, because I have the diffuser on order right now. It's coming in, and I'm going to make another video on that. But at the moment, this is what it looks like right now. It is just absolutely insane. It's quiet mode right now, so whatever you're hearing right now, it's not exactly what it's supposed to be, but I went through a hassle to get this installed, man. It is truly insane how I finally have this on. I dreamed of having one of these, man. I dreamed. Let me just explain to you guys what I had to go through to get this installed. I got the exhaust last Tuesday. So when I got the exhaust Tuesday, it was planned out for me to go get it installed Thursday. We went to Queens to a buddy of mine, to his shop, and we were gonna get the exhaust installed there. I assumed that the exhaust was actually gonna be installed, including the wiring. And I got a crazy insane price for $125, which was truly insane. But when I got there, we took out the exhaust, they lifted my car up, and the guy was putting on everything, and then it seemed all clear and fine until we got to the last muffler. So right here, my car came stock with just one muffler, had one side with two tips. It was this whole mesh piece from like to the side of the tips all the way down to the end. Once they put on that first side muffler, they had to put on the second one, obviously, but the problem was the guy couldn't find the hanger. So we looked through the box, can't find a hanger. Looking on the car, don't see a hanger that's just hanging there. Because the car came stock with one muffler, so I'm like, what the hell, Armytrix? Like, where is the other hanger? We're looking around, we don't see it anywhere, and literally I thought I was gonna be screwed right there. So we call up a shop, we call up a couple shops, and we're going there to check out to see if they have any hangers, right? But the problem was, this was like an Audi exclusive kind of part. It's not like you're gonna find these at other places, so we tried to find something similar. But we tried calling shops up, we looked, we went to one spot, we could not find it. What ended up happening was I had to drive home. I literally had to drive home with just one muffler and a hole on the other side. From Queens to my house, and we left during traffic time and got home an hour and a half later. Then what's so funny is I get home, I look into the box just to take a look at the old muffler, and I see a rubber hanger and another piece attached to the OEM muffler. There must have been two hangers on that OEM muffler, maybe because it was so heavy or something, but it truly blew my mind. So my buddy comes to my house and he decides to install the whole thing. I paid him, and he basically installed the other muffler and installed it on for me, and it was complete basically without the wiring. Shout out to my boy Vlad. He literally installed the muffler, and then he came to my house this past Sunday and did all the wiring for 5 hours straight. I honestly don't believe I paid him enough. And just a warning to anyone who buys this exhaust, it does drone a little bit, even if the valves are closed, because you got to remember, it's one giant 3-inch pipe from the downpipe back, and you only have one muffler. My OEM exhaust, I removed 2 mufflers and a resonator, and now I only have one muffler, and when the valves open, it's no muffler. So that's how much louder it is. The shifts are insanely loud. It is absolutely beautiful in my opinion. I love the sound of the car. Truly amazed by the quality. I wish I could just do some rev videos right now, but this train, perfect timing for this train to come by. Give me a couple moments and then I'll probably just put the clips up.